reason now. And Chinese, we salute to the Chinese, we salute to the Afghanistan. Now the transit is started. Afghan transit from here. Now, and now Iran is also wants to come and join with us. Then time will prove. This will be time will prove. Yeah.
Okay, inshallah, we'll
Inshallah,
be wishing
inshallah.
you best wishes for the CPEC and the world economy. And how do you find in this COVID, how did it affect the world economy, this COVID-19? How do you feel about this? What is your expectations? What next is coming for world? Whom going to take the power or lead of this economy in the
In
region?
fact,
And
my brother, in fact, if you see, in this government, first I'll appreciate our Prime Minister Imran Khan and their team. During COVID period, they introduced one of the most important housing scheme. They launched a housing scheme very well, and during this scheme, and after the weekly basis, Imran Khan have a do the meeting with the housing Abad group, the
yes,
chairman of Abad and other peoples, just they want if the you want to company to want them to improve the economy of Pakistan, housing industry must go. And
it
in a
is.
housing scheme, if they want to increase the housing, in a housing scheme, 70 allied industries will come like labor, oil, iron, cement, 70 other industries will go up. Yeah, and
Wow.
because of this, their housing, they announced the housing schemes for the builders. That's why people are our builders are especially very happy. And Imran Khan government launched this housing. So they will give 30 in with 30 lakhs apartment to poorest people are the people who want who people have don't have the house. In with 30 lakhs only. And very
Mhm.
happy to I'll inform you. You must know 3% loan, the minimum loan they will
It is there.
provide 3%, and the rest of 3% the state bank will give to the builder.
Hmm.
6% is
Exactly.
the yeah, that's a very good charm for the builders in Pakistan, Lahore, Islamabad, Karachi, Gawadar, Quetta, Peshawar. Every builder is in planning. They are in planning how they will enter there, sir. That's a very good sign for our economy, and our economy will grow. See, you see, iron and steel, cement is also increasing day by day. Their capacity is increasing. That's why. What is the reason? Where during COVID period, our government fully realized that what we will do. That's why they started this housing a scheme for the builders and the poor peoples. That's very nice,
Hmm.
and
Exactly.
I must appreciate them. Yeah.
Exactly. And thanks, Alhamdulillah, Pakistan economy doesn't fail like a world economy. Lovely says
Inshallah,
like
inshallah, inshallah. The time
we
will come.
see, yeah,
The
we
time
see
will come.
we
Just
see
see,
the.
brother.
Mm,
Our reserve are rising in a good
exactly.
position now. Daily,
Alhamdulillah.
if you weekly see, and different 20 and 21, 19 and 20. What is the difference? Our reserve, foreign reserves are increasing. Now,
Exactly.
recently they introduced a scheme in Pakistan that all over the world, the overseas Pakistani can open their account, foreign currency account
Yeah.
in
In
Pakistan.
and
They
in
can
anywhere
deposit.
from the world. Yeah,
Yeah.
from anywhere from the world.
Anywhere,
This is
anywhere from the world. That's a good sign.
yeah.
But this is the first time they introduced this one. Or I
Alhamdulillah.
must say, and the overseas Pakistani are very happy when they want to deposit. Every time they deposit, and they want if they want to withdraw, they can withdraw anything, or if any amount. And if they want to pay something in Pakistan to their relatives, their father and
Hmm.
mother, sister and family members, they can do. This is the very
Yeah.
good change in Pakistan, and the
Yeah.
Imran Khan government is doing the best to improve our economy. and that's why reserve of State Bank is increasing day by weekly basis. If we will compare 19 and 20, where is the difference? And I must say 12.92 billion as on November 20, highest level. Why? Because of their schemes, their planning. No doubt,
Alhamdulillah.
no doubt we
It's
have some things. Here is some problem in accounting. Here is some financial problems, terrorism problem, financial terrorism problem. But in FATF, what's happened?
yeah.
27 points, 27 points they
There
gave
was a
us,
tenth one. Yeah.
and 24 they completed. For
Alhamdulillah.
three
Yes.
points, 3 points they gave us a June, up to June we will
Up to June.
be in a
Gradual
position.
spirit.
Inshallah,
Yes.
inshallah, we will cover this. And we are
Inshallah.
trying our best for we are as a Pakistani we are trying to control the terrorism, financial
Yes.
terrorism and the terrorism. How
Hmm.
they are now our banks and the State Bank controlling each and every transaction and watching where this amount is coming and where this amount is going. That's a good sign in Pakistan, especially. Terrorism from
Exactly.
the last 30 years is a problem for us. Problem. Now we are controlling. Salute to our army. They done a very good job in this area, and their help we are in a position to control this terrorism.
What about the tourist industry now? As Pakistan opened 54 countries online visas, now Alhamdulillah in Pakistan there's very little COVID cases now. How do you feel about world? How we welcome world and how their confidence built to welcome them to Pakistan? What message we can pass to the world?
My brother, we have a very good sightseeing, no doubt. Gilgit, Murray, Nathia Gali. This the whole belt is very nice. But first time in this government, I can say they are paying some attention to the tourist for the tourist. On the people of Pakistan, they are going now to enjoy. They don't want to go outside the Pakistan. They want to enjoy in Pakistan. What is the reason? Now they are giving some facilities, especially I must say Gilgit area very nicely. Narayan or all the belt, whole belt is they are improving. They are building some hotels in tourist areas. Or that's a very good sign for Pakistani, especially. When the time will come, I think within 2 years, the people from the world will come. In this, I must say something to you that if you go to Gavadar, there is a good sightseeing. Just see what is the reason. Gavadar is a natural place.
Yes, I've
Mountains
seen
are
the beautiful.
natural.
I've seen beautiful seaside, a beautiful sunset, and
Then,
beautiful sand of the sea. Really, it's a
yeah, yeah,
amazing
yeah, yeah.
place. It's a
Yeah,
really amazing place.
now this government under the umbrella of CPAC, we are
Hmm.
just watching that they are just improving each and everything of this
Hmm.
area. And the people of Pakistan, they wish to visit Gwadar and by road. What is the reason? They are improving day by day to some area to for the tourists. Sightseeing, you have very good sightseeing mountains, natural mountains in the world. Recently, that just they announced the stadium of Gwadar. Now ICC recognized that the world best stadium is Gwadar Stadium. What is the
Yes,
reason? Everything is natural. Everything is natural. So we
I
have
wish
the
you could.
best of things.
I wish I could pass some photos of or videos of the stadium, but I couldn't have, unfortunately, right now. So, in
Okay,
very soon we will share photos of Gwadar Cricket Stadium. It's an amazing
that's
place.
nice.
You can
That's nice. That's nice.
anybody can go and see on web and internet and find the beautiful natural beauty of the Gwadar and Gwadar Cricket Stadium.
Yeah.
And I heard about you that you're the organizer of this all Gwada Business Club and all media brothers, you
Yeah,
took
some
them
media
to the.
people, some of my friends from media, electronic media and print media, they want to go to the see the Gabadar. Oh, from 4 days visit, hectic visit, but they enjoyed. Now, if you will go to the newspapers, electronic media and print media, you will find they are just happy. Oh, this is the Gavadar, this is the Gavadar. The time is changed. I must say something about my security peoples that now is safe. Now is safe. We can go by road from Karachi to Gwadar. People from Lahore, Islamabad, Peshawar are coming through Gwadar to see the Gwadar and they safely visit each and everything. That's credit goes to our security agencies. They played a
Uh-huh.
very good role. Oh yeah, they
Alhamdulillah.
played a good roles, and because of them we are happy. Okay, now we can start our businesses there. Some investor from all over the world they are just visiting that area. They want to some factories there, and government of Pakistan have some relaxation for the free export area. That's very good area, good area, and the exporter will come. They want to establish some factories there, mills there. That's a good sign.
Alhamdulillah, that's yes.
Alhamdulillah.
It is really amazing, and it will boost Pakistan economy. We must
Yeah,
say
definitely,
it's a
definitely,
time
definitely.
changer. It's a time
Yeah,
changer and economy
yeah,
changer.
yeah,
And
definitely, definitely.
we welcome world to take a participate with us, and it'll open door to the world. I wish. I wish all the world will see this Guada shining, inshallah, very soon,
Yeah,
very soon.
definitely, definitely, my brother.
Inshallah.
Definitely,
Inshallah.
inshallah. We are hopeful.
Yes.
We are
I like
hopeful.
yeah, I like to just need some minutes. If you can just say about some Turkey and Turkish tourism and Turkish economy. Can you say some words if you like to say?
Turkish people are very good peoples. Their
Mhm.
economy is very solid, no doubt. And reason is that they all are thinking the government and their president, the high officials are binding taxes. They have a system of taxes. That's why their economy is boosted and solid, and their reserves are very nice as compared to other countries like Pakistan.
Mm.
But I must say their planning is good, and they are thinking to how to fight other countries and to how to control our reserves. They have some experts there, and that's why their economics is boosted and stable. Very,
It
yeah,
is
it is
definitely it
stable.
is,
Yeah,
mashallah.
yeah,
And
inshallah.
what do you think about world economy in this pandemic, COVID-19? Any
No doubt this crisis is, oh, crisis of lot of people are jobless.
Mhm.
Some factories are locked because of this reason, COVID. But now the time is coming again to increase everywhere. Some factories and labors during this COVID period, factories are locked, people were jobless. Now they are again on the same line, and they are thinking to just to don't think about past, come on in future. That's a very good sign. And during COVID in Pakistan, how our government control this, this is good. They are planning in Pakistan. In Pakistan, COVID is controlled by the government, and some countries are just saying how they control because of their planning, because of Imran Khan team is planning how to control this. Example is Pakistan ki policies. The policies of Pakistani government are very well. That's why we controlled our COVID. The ratio of deaths is minimum as compared to UK, European countries, USA, Canada, or other countries. Our death ratio is very minimum, very minimum. That's a good sign. For that, we thanks to Allah.
Alhamdulillah, it is
Alhamdulillah.
Alhamdulillah.
Yeah.
It is fantastic. Some minutes I also need, so you may continue to be talking.
Yeah, yeah, sure, sure,
Some
sure.
minutes I need from you. Can you tell how Pakistan and Turkey uh, to take a part in the world economy and boost each other and morely like we can do some businesses together and some factors which are need to work also. What do you think? How you find there's some sectors which need to work for both countries' benefits?
My dear brother, first of all, I invite my Turkish brothers to come Pakistan and enjoy the sightseeings. They love to
Yeah,
see. That's
it is.
they love our country. When they saw, they will see the our sight signs. Okay, number one. Turkish peoples are very laborious, no doubt, and if they want to join us in our business, we welcome. Always welcome Turkish people, as they welcome Pakistani also. That's a mutual
Yes,
understanding. Mutual understanding with both the countries. I think so. In Pakistan, especially, if the Turkish businessman and the community of business community will visit Pakistan and they want to invest something here, that's a very good sign. If they will, they will. Or I think so. Now the government is our government is changed, and we tried our best to control each and everything. Especially, I again say the terrorism. The
exactly.
terrorism position of this country is now under control. That's
Yes,
why
Alhamdulillah.
the people who want to say that, especially our neighbor country India, always say that we are in terrorism, terrorism, terrorism. No, now these things are under control, and everywhere now is a peace of Pakistan. Everywhere in a peace of some things happen monthly too early. Oh, it's happened. No, but in most of this area, our country is under control. Now no, terrorism is under control. From the last 30 years, we are fighting with the terrorist. Last 30 years, 40. Now these
Hmm.
things are controlled by our army. 70,000 our Jawan, our army people lost their lives. Now,
Yes.
now I salute to my army again and again that they saved all the Pakistan. That's a good sign.
Alhamdulillah, it is very, very good.
Alhamdulillah, my brother.
Alhamdulillah. Alhamdulillah.
My message to
Uh,
the Turkish people, my message to my Turkish brothers to visit Pakistan, and they will find here some new things. New
it
things.
is it is
Yeah,
new Pakistan, and it
new
is
Pakistan,
mashallah
new
new
things.
and strongest Pakistan we ever seen
Inshallah,
before.
inshallah,
We ever
inshallah.
seen
Our
before,
economy,
Alhamdulillah.
just see, my brother, if our economy is boosted up now. Our reserves are in a good position now. The most thing is this: the how we control our expenses now. Like our export now is increasing because of the policies of the government of Pakistan, and our import is they don't want to increase import. They want to export. Now just see our export figures now on the monthly basis. Our export is increasing. That's a good sign for Pakistanis business community.
Hmm.
Yeah,
Alhamdulillah, it is.
Alhamdulillah.
Alhamdulillah. And how do you think? How you feel about market of stock exchange? Finally, I just need a few minutes more about this Pakistan stock
Uh,
exchange, and you think is any role can play Turkey to Pakistan economy within it with stock exchange?
Yeah, definitely. If the government, is the business community of Turkish will invest in our stocks, they will find a more profit as compared to other countries. Our stock exchange is now in a safe hands, and
Okay,
yeah, now in a safe hands, and their
Alhamdulillah.
growth
Mm.
from growth is very good and a good sign. That's a very
Uh,
good thing. The signs are very good that the stock is under control. Now, no bubble in this stocks. Now they are the we are just have a very good investors. They are just investing money for not for to earn the money, but to save the Pakistan also. That's a good.
Alhamdulillah.
Alhamdulillah.
Alhamdulillah. I find
Yeah.
ever before this, mashallah, this market going up, Pakistan stock market, and also Pakistan currency, alhamdulillah, is now
Yeah. Strong.
coming as at the point where Pakistan can do a lot of things, mashallah, and something like you can say like next coming years, like couple of years.
Yeah.
How do you find? I'm just coming back to the Balochistan minerals. Can you talk about on Balochistan minerals? Some words, something if you acknowledge us.
That's a good thing that we have a lot of minerals in Balochistan, and government of Balochistan and the Ministry of Industry and Mineral Ministry is taking steps to just to see what minerals we have and how we can earn the dollars in shape of dollars from minerals. Very good things here, and minerals. The time will prove that how we utilize our minerals. That's the main thing. How we utilize. Or inshallah, we hope minerals. Balochistan is full of minerals. Things there, especially one belt. We have the minerals, a lot of minerals, and now they are exploring. Yeah, the time will come. Time will come. We hope so.
Yeah, we see last 20-25 years that Pakistan exporting marbles, ceramics, and zinc, copper. This is we knowledge like Pakistan exporting to China, and very big in very big quantity. And we heard also that the very big and huge gold mines in Pakistan, which is like take 50 tons per year can produce the gold. It is one of the largest gold reserve in Pakistan. And Alhamdulillah, it will change Pakistan time. Pakistan will inshallah boost it.
Inshallah.
And really, thank you so much. Thank you so much for your time, and continue. I'll take you 40 minutes. Just
Thank you very much. Say my good wishes to my brother, Turkish brother. They always help us, and we are the brothers. Main thing is Pakistan and Turkey is a brotherhood, and we
thank you
good wishes for the
thank you so much, and I'm also thanking Finance TV that giving us platform to we talk about Pakistan economy and
thank you
little bit on world economy, and thank you so much once again. Inshallah, we'll get back to you very soon. Thank you so much.
Say my good wishes to your channel also. You say my good wishes for the channel also. Okay. Nice meeting.
All
nice
right. All right. Nice. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you. My pleasure. Bye-bye.
Yükselen Değerler özel bölümündesiniz değerli izleyenler. Özellikle Bartın Seramik Alvit markasıyla ürünler üretiyor. Bakalım 2020 yılı için ne tür yeniliklere imza atmışlar? Hep beraber izleyelim. Yükselen Değerler programı olarak Bartın Seramik'in çalışmalarını sizlerle buluşturmaya devam ediyoruz. Alvit markasıyla üretilen ürünler gayet şık ve dikkat çekici. Bartın Seramik gerek Türkiye'de gerekse yurt dışında kendi markasını benimsetmiş durumda. Firma her türlü projeye göre ürün odaklı çalışabiliyor. firmanın başarılı olmasında Gürkan Aldatmaz, Oğuz Aldatmaz ve başarılı bir ekip bulunuyor.
Çalışmalarımızı tabii ki 2020'ye göre yaptık, hazırlıklarımızı yaptık. 2020'nin daha iyi geçmesi için çok güzel çalışmalar yaptık. 2020 yılında özellikle tecelli grubunda çok fazla çeşite çıktık. Türkiye'deki en çok tecelli çeşidi bizde oldu diyebilirim bu konuda. Banyo dolaplarında çok yenilikçi yeni modeller yaptık. Çok rağbet göreceğine inanıyorum bu sene. 2020 trendinin çok ötesinde bir sene çalışması yaptık. Bunun dışında mutfak evyeleri, mutfak grubuna girdik seramikte. Klozet grubunda özellikle renkli serilere özen gösterdik bu sene. Bu sene inanıyorum iyi geçecek. Şu anda Alvit grubu olarak bir banyoda ihtiyacınız olabilecek her şey var. Bunun yanında bu sene özellikle işte mutfak seramik evyelerine de girdik. Yavaş yavaş mutfaklara da girmeye başlıyoruz. 2020'de sürekli büyümeyi hedefliyoruz tabii ki. 2020 için değil sadece bu, 2020, 2021 ve gelecek için. Hani kısa süreli bir firma değiliz. Kuruluşumuz zaten 1994 yılında. Uzun süredir devam ediyoruz. 2020'de, 2021'de de bu şekilde devam etmeyi umuyoruz büyüyerek. Çok personel azaltmadık. Tabii ki etkilendik ama bunu aşmanın yollarını aradık ve bulduk. Personel sayımızı azaltmadan kimseyi işsiz bırakmamaya çalışarak bugüne kadar geldik. Bundan sonra da arttırarak devam etmeyi düşünüyoruz. Yenilikçiyiz. Pazarda herkesin bulabileceği ürünlerimiz var. Daha önce de anlattığım gibi sezonun çok ötesindeyiz. Yani bugün yeni bir inşaat yapıyorsanız ve kendinize güzel olsun, iyi olsun diyorsanız bizi seçmelisiniz.
Yükselen Değerler programı olarak Alvit'in başarılarını sizlerle buluşturmaya devam edeceğiz. Yükselen Değerler olarak Bartın Seramik'e yer verdik. Yükselen Değerler televizyon programı olarak Bartın Seramik'in başarılarını sizlerle birlikte takip etmeye devam edeceğiz.